Debbie's Mindless Happy Place here. I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be changing out some of my items on my front porch and changing it from spring to summer. I don't do a lot, just a little bit, so you'll see what I do. Again, I'll be sticking with my red, white, and blue theme and the 4th of July. So anyway, I also at the end of this video will be showing you some of my geranium pots in the backyard. They are really growing because we have gotten all this great rain this year. So look forward to that. I also got some lights from the Dollar Tree, so we'll see if some solar lights from the Dollar Tree, and so we'll be putting those on some pathways out in the backyard. And so I always like to have some color and some lights going on in the dark, so it just livens things up and brightens everything up. So we'll be doing that, along with I got like 3 the solar lights that are like different insects to put in my front flower bed. So we'll be adding those. They were $5 a piece, so I always like to have those. They just add some color at night when you drive up and you see that it just looks really, really nice. And I'll try to show you that right when the sun goes down if I can figure out how to get the camera to work in the dark. So we'll see if I can get to that. But anyway, I wanted to thank you guys for stopping by, and if you enjoy the content of these videos, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. Let's get to the video. We had a thunderstorm last night, so it messed with my welcome mat on my front porch, so I had to put it back in place. So it's a little bit wet right now, but so be it. It will dry out soon. I got these new red cushions at Walmart. I thought they would just add a splash of color on my front porch, so I'm going to change these out with the kind of tan ones that I had on the front porch. So Walmart didn't have a big selection. It's kind of hard to find lawn cushions right now. So in case nobody's noticed, there's not the usual like lawn cushions out at like Walmart or different places. So it's kind of hard to find these right now. So another thing that's in short supply. So now I'm going to be taking out these spring little flowers, these metal little spring flowers that I have in my garden, and switching them out with some 4th of July decorations. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I also have this one little hummingbird, little solar light, and he's kind of broken at the top. So I'm going to take him out because I did get 3 new solar lights to put in my garden, so I'll be doing that instead. So I have these vines that grow up in my flower bed in the front, and they're very irritating and they take over my garden. So I try to keep them pulled out, but I can't get rid of them completely. They just come back every year. I can't get anything to grow, but these grow on their own. So there you got it. I have these 3 little metal little sticks. 2 are firecrackers and 1 is the American flag. So I'm going to stick them in the front of my flower bed just to add some 4th of July little theme. And I've had these for several years. I got them at Hobby Lobby for just a couple of dollars, I think, a piece. So again, I've had those for years and I just put them out there. Then I'm gonna put, this little sign was given to me by my daughter, and so I'm gonna put this on the door because I don't have a different wreath right now. And then we always hang out this little thing that says I love America. So anyway, I'm just gonna hang it on the front porch. So again, very simple stuff. Nothing too earth-shattering there, so again. And then I got this butterfly, this hummingbird, and this dragonfly at Big Lots, and they were $5 a piece. I just really like how they look at night, and again, I'll try to bring you out here tonight whenever it gets dark. These just go together really easy. And this one's a butterfly. There you go. And then so I'll stick this one right here. They'll catch the light all day, and then tonight it will light up whenever it gets dark. Oh, I love whenever I get new ones of these. I've got this one that has 3 things on it, all 3 things, and I've had it for years, but it still works, and so I'm not going to take it out right now. This one's a hummingbird. He's cute too. Put the stick together. I think it's missing a part. Shoot. Oh, wait. I gotta go like this. That's why. I got it. There you go. I'm gonna put him down right about here, facing that way. And then the last one I have is the dragonfly. So this is a dragonfly again, so there you go. Get all my trash together. Stick these sticks together. Put the dragonfly on the top. There you go. We'll put him right here in the middle. And those will light up at night, so hopefully I'll be able to show you those. I'm going to get rid of my trash. And I think the mailman's coming. So there you go. Pretty simple. Again, really simple. Just a little bit of color for the summertime. So we really enjoy sitting on the front porch early in the morning and late in the evening time in the summertime in Oklahoma. So there you have it.